Hi everyone. We're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 using Korean native numbers. I'll give you some fun tips to memorize them easily. 1.
Hana,
Think of Hana like Hanana. Imagine you're about to eat a banana but you just say the first part, Hana. 2.
둘,
It sounds like duel. Imagine two knights dueling with swords. 3.
셋,
It is just like the word said in English. Right? 4.
넷,
It sounds like net. Imagine a fishing net with 4 fish inside. 5.
다섯,
It sounds like Daseot. Picture 5 suitcases all lined up. 6.
여섯,
It sounds like Yeoseot. Think of saying yo to a friend 6 times. 7.
일곱,
It sounds like Ilgop. Imagine gulping 7 drinks in a row. 8.
여덟,
It sounds like Yeodeol. Picture 8 dolls on a shelf. 9.
아홉,
It sounds like hope. Imagine hoping 9 times. 10.
열,
It sounds like y'all. Imagine yelling out loud 10 times. Now, let's practice together. I'll say the number in Korean, and you repeat after me with the association.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
Great job! Now you can count from 1 to 10 in Korean using these fun associations. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy Korean lessons. See you next time.